The Kingslim E4 Dual Dashcam offers exceptional video quality, capturing the road with a front camera resolution of 4,000 pixels and a rear camera resolution of 1,080 pixels. Equipped with a wide-angle lens of 160 degrees in the front and 150 degrees in the rear, this dashcam ensures comprehensive coverage of your surroundings. The built-in Wi-Fi and dedicated app allow for seamless control and easy access to your recordings directly from your smartphone. With a G-sensor and emergency file lock, the dashcam automatically secures crucial footage in the event of sudden movements or impacts, preventing it from being overwritten. The seamless loop recording feature ensures continuous recording by overwriting the oldest files, eliminating the need for manual deletion. Designed to withstand heat without a lithium battery, the Kingslim E4 is both environmentally friendly and promises an extended lifespan in various weather conditions.